Welcome to Classic Technology, guys. Before diving into today's video, I would insist you guys to go join our Telegram group as well as WhatsApp group because we post important updates over there. That is what company is hiring, what is the package they are offering, and what are the interview questions being asked, and what are those solutions for those questions. People discuss over there and find out solutions for those questions. Share with the people who have not found out for solutions for those questions and just discuss and get the benefit out of it. So if you want that extra benefit, you can go join our WhatsApp group as well as Telegram group. So going into today's video, we are talking about Colgate. That is, it is hiring for the freshers. So the job role is data engineer. It is for BE, B.Tech, B.Sc and BCA. And the offer is for 12 lakh per annum. So as you can see, there's a little given about Colgate company here. You can go through. And about the placement, it is company name is Colgate, website is colgate.com, job position is data engineer, that is for associate analyst or data engineer, and location is Mumbai, so you need to relocate to Mumbai to get the job. Job type is full time, and experience is freshers, as I said. Qualification is BE, B.Tech, B.Sc and BCA. Batch is 2018, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Salary is up to 12 lakh per annum. That is, depending upon how you perform in the interview, they'll offer you salary. It may be less or it may be more than 12 lakh per annum. So eligibility is given here, detailed eligibility. You can go through this before applying for the job, and prefer skills that you need to have for this job. And to apply for this job, there is a button given here. Double click to apply now. You have to click that button. It will take you to the official website of Colgate where you will have to apply for the job. There's details given here. You can go through before applying. After you go through this, you can just click the apply now button given here. After clicking this, it will take you to a login page where you will have to sign up or log in with your current account. After signing up or logging in, you will have to apply for the job. There will be details given that you need to fill up and upload your resume and get shortlisted. If you do not get shortlisted, it is majorly because you do not have an ATS based resume. So if you don't have an ATS based resume, you can come to our website, you can apply for one. It costs only 149 rupees. So at our website, there is an apply for resume button here. You can click it. And over here, you just have to choose the old file that was your old resume, and then extra things that are needed to be added into your new resume. Your name, your email address and phone number for contacting Ryzen. So it'll just cost only 149. So get that resume and get shortlisted in desired companies that you have. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button. If you are not subscribed yet, you can subscribe and turn on bell notification for future updates. Thank you.